Asia is the largest continent on Earth, home to a breathtaking variety of landscapes, from dense jungles and frozen tundras to scorching deserts and towering mountains. With such diversity, it's no surprise that Asia also harbors some of the most unique and fascinating animals on the planet. In this video, we'll explore 10 incredible facts about Asia's wildlife, each revealing the beauty, adaptability, and mystery of these creatures. Fact number 1. The Bengal tiger is the largest wild cat. The Bengal tiger, found primarily in India and Bangladesh, is the largest species of wild cat in the world. Males can weigh up to 500 pounds and stretch over 6 feet in length, making them powerful predators at the top of the food chain. Their iconic orange coats with black stripes not only make them striking to look at but also serve as camouflage in the dense forests and tall grasses. These tigers are solitary hunters, relying on stealth and strength to ambush prey such as deer, wild boar, and even water buffalo. Their success depends heavily on the health of their habitats, which are shrinking due to deforestation and human activity. Despite being fearsome predators, they remain vulnerable to human threats. Conservation efforts have been working to protect these majestic cats, especially within tiger reserves. Thanks to these efforts, the population of Bengal tigers has seen gradual recovery in some regions. Their survival is not just about protecting a species, but also preserving the balance of Asia's ecosystems. Fact number 2. The giant panda's diet is 99% bamboo. Native to China's mountainous regions, the giant panda is one of the most beloved animals in the world. What makes them fascinating is their highly specialized diet. 99% of what they eat is bamboo, a plant that's low in nutrients. Despite belonging to the carnivorous bear family, pandas have evolved to rely almost entirely on this single food source. Because bamboo is so nutritionally poor, pandas must spend about 12 to 16 hours a day eating, consuming up to 70 pounds of bamboo daily. Their powerful jaws and strong molars are perfectly adapted to crush the tough stalks, while their pseudo-thumb, an extended wrist bone, helps them grip bamboo shoots. This unique lifestyle makes pandas highly vulnerable to habitat changes. If bamboo forests decline, pandas face starvation. However, conservation programs in China have successfully increased panda populations, making them a symbol of wildlife preservation worldwide. Fact number 3. The snow leopard is the ghost of the mountains. High in the Himalayas and Central Asia's rugged ranges lives the elusive snow leopard. Nicknamed the ghost of the mountains, this big cat is rarely seen due to its camouflage and secretive behavior. Its thick, spotted coat blends seamlessly with the rocky cliffs, while its long tail helps with balance on steep terrain. Snow leopards are incredible climbers, capable of leaping up to 30 feet in a single bound. Their powerful legs and wide, fur-covered paws act like natural snowshoes, allowing them to move easily across snowy landscapes. These adaptations make them perfectly suited to one of the harshest environments on Earth. Unfortunately, snow leopards are threatened by poaching and loss of prey animals like blue sheep and ibex. Yet, local communities and conservation groups are working together to protect them, recognizing the snow leopard as a vital symbol of Asia's mountain ecosystems. Fact number 4. The Komodo dragon is Asia's giant lizard. This reptile, found only on a few Indonesian islands, is the largest living lizard in the world. Growing up to 6 feet in length and weighing over 150 pounds, this reptile is both fascinating and intimidating. Its forked tongue flicks constantly, picking up scent particles and helping it detect prey from kilometers away. Komodo dragons are ambush predators, capable of taking down deer, wild boar, and even water buffalo. They deliver a powerful bite laced with venom that prevents blood clotting, eventually weakening their prey. This combination of strength and stealth makes them one of Asia's most formidable hunters. Though they are apex predators, Komodo dragons face threats from habitat loss and human encroachment. Conservation areas on the islands have helped protect them, and they remain a living reminder of Asia's ancient and powerful reptiles. Fact number 5. The Indian cobra can dance to music. Cobras are among the most iconic snakes in Asia, especially the Indian cobra, known for its dramatic hood display. When threatened, this snake spreads its hood and sways, which has given rise to the traditional image of the cobra dancing to a snake charmer's flute. In reality, the cobra doesn't hear the music, it follows the movements of the flute and the charmer instead. The Indian cobra is highly venomous, capable of delivering a bite that can be fatal without treatment. However, cobras prefer to avoid confrontation and usually display their hood as a warning rather than attacking. Their venom is also used in producing life-saving antivenoms. Beyond their fearsome reputation, cobras play a vital ecological role by controlling rodent populations. In Indian culture, they are revered and even worshipped during festivals, symbolizing both danger and divine power. Fact number 6. The red panda is not related to the giant panda. Despite sharing a name, the red panda is not closely related to the giant panda. Found in the Himalayan forests of Nepal, Bhutan, and China, red pandas are actually more closely related to raccoons and weasels. With their reddish-brown fur, bushy ringed tails, and adorable appearance, they are sometimes called firefoxes. Red pandas spend much of their time in trees, feeding on bamboo, fruits, and small insects. Like giant pandas, they have a false thumb that helps them grasp bamboo. Their nocturnal and shy nature makes them difficult to observe in the wild. Sadly, red pandas are endangered due to deforestation and poaching. Conservation groups are working to protect their habitats, and the charming appearance has made them an ambassador species for wildlife protection in Asia. Fact number 7. The Japanese macaque loves hot springs. In the snowy mountains of Japan, the Japanese macaque, often called the snow monkey, has found a unique way to stay warm during freezing winters, soaking in natural hot springs. These monkeys are the only primates in the world, apart from humans, known to bathe in hot springs. They were first observed doing this in Nagano, where volcanic activity creates pools of steaming water amid the snow. The behavior began with just a few individuals but quickly spread throughout the troop, showing the intelligence and adaptability of these primates. Not only do the springs keep them warm, but studies suggest the hot baths also help lower stress levels in the monkeys, much like they do for humans. It's a rare and charming example of animals using nature's spa to their advantage. Japanese macaques are also remarkable for their social behaviors. They live in complex groups with strict hierarchies, and younger monkeys often learn survival skills by observing older ones. Their ability to adapt to harsh environments, combined with their playful nature, makes them one of the most iconic and endearing animals in Asia. Fact number 8. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake. Stretching up to 16 feet in length, the king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake. Found in South and Southeast Asia, it is a powerful predator that feeds mainly on other snakes, including venomous species. Its ability to overpower such dangerous prey makes it unique among reptiles. When threatened, the king cobra raises a third of its body off the ground, spreads its hood, and hisses loudly, creating an intimidating display. Its venom is strong enough to kill an elephant, but despite this fearsome reputation, it avoids humans whenever possible. The king cobra is also unusual because it is one of the few snakes that build nests for their eggs. Females guard the nest until the hatchlings emerge, showing a level of parental care rare among reptiles. Fact number 9. The Asian elephant is smaller than its African cousin. Asian elephants are the largest land animals in Asia but are noticeably smaller than African elephants. They have smaller ears, a more rounded back, and only one finger at the tip of their trunk, compared to two in African elephants. These differences may seem small, but they reveal how elephants have adapted to different environments. Asian elephants are highly social, living in matriarchal groups led by the oldest female. They are intelligent animals, known for their problem-solving skills, memory, and even the ability to recognize themselves in mirrors. In many Asian cultures, elephants are symbols of wisdom, strength, and peace. Sadly, their populations are declining due to habitat destruction and conflict with humans. Protecting them is not only vital for biodiversity but also for cultural heritage, as elephants play a central role in many Asian traditions. Fact number 10. The Bactrian camel can survive extreme deserts. The Bactrian camel, native to Central Asia, is perfectly adapted to survive in some of the harshest deserts on Earth. Unlike the one-humped dromedary camel, the Bactrian camel has two humps, which store fat that can be converted into energy when food is scarce. These camels can endure extreme temperatures, from freezing winters to scorching summers, and can survive for weeks without water. When they finally find a water source, they can drink up to 26 gallons in just a few minutes. Their thick eyelashes and closable nostrils protect them from sandstorms in the Gobi Desert. Bactrian camels have been essential for human survival in Asia for centuries, serving as pack animals on the Silk Road. Even today, they remain a vital part of life for nomadic herders in Mongolia and surrounding regions. From the icy peaks of the Himalayas to the arid deserts of Central Asia, the continent is bursting with fascinating creatures. Each of these animals, whether it's the stealthy snow leopard, the ancient Komodo dragon, or the Japanese macaque, tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the fragile balance of nature. Protecting them ensures not only their survival but also the preservation of Asia's rich natural heritage for generations to come.